In the previous session, we have discussed about the laws of chemical combination. The next problem arise for the scientist was to give the appropriate explanation for these laws. So the British chemist John Dalton provided the basic theory about the nature of matter. Dalton picked up the idea of divisibility of matter, which was till then just a philosophy. He took the name atoms as given by the Greeks and said that the smallest particles of matter are atoms. His theory was based on the laws of chemical combination. Dalton's atomic theory provided an explanation for the laws of conservation of mass and the laws of definite proportion. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all matter, whether an element, a compound, or a mixture, is composed of small particles called atoms. The postulates of this theory may be stated as follows. The first one is all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. The second postulate states that atoms are indivisible particles which cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. The third postulate states that atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical properties. For example, if you take oxygen or nitrogen, a single element will have all the atoms which are identical in mass and chemical properties. Fourth property states that atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical properties. The fifth property supports the laws of chemical combination. The fifth postulate states that atoms combine in the ratio of small whole number to form compounds. Sixth postulate explains the law of constant proportion. It states that the relative number and the kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. So this is all about the Dalton's atomic theory. In the next section we will discuss about what is an atom and what are the modern day symbols of atom of different elements.